Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to pause and evaluate legal and practical risks before attempting any reset glitch hack. Modifying a Trinity board voids warranties and may violate laws or service terms. Make sure you understand that. Once done, document serials and symptoms, and use a static-free area to inspect hardware for faults only. If your goal is custom software, consider officially supported homebrew paths or approved developer kits. These avoid criminal exposure while offering similar learning outcomes. Start with safe, non-invasive diagnostics to narrow down the issue. Visually inspect for damaged caps, connectors, or corrosion, and run official diagnostics if available. Once done, consult authorized repair centers or manufacturer support to get professional assessment. They can often repair power or board faults without legal risk. Make sure to explore legitimate community resources for learning, and consider trade-in or refurbishment programs as legal alternatives to hardware modification that still extend device life. Final steps focus on safe, legal options. Back up any data and apply official firmware updates, which often fix system instability. If a hardware fault remains, contact certified technicians or reputable electronics repair shops rather than attempting invasive hacks. They can replace components and provide receipts. Make sure to weigh costs versus replacement. If things go wrong legally or functionally, stop and seek professional help. Attempting RGH-style modifications can lead to bans, fines, or damaged hardware beyond repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.